All right, today's video we're going to be replacing this Addison RTU condensing coil that got damaged because the motor broke loose and fan went through the coil. So it has taken quite a bit of time to get our parts, but it seems like they're all here and no damage to the new products. So got that cut loose over there. I believe I can probably fish this coil out like it is. I think just pushing it up to the bottom. Don't know, never done one of these before, so we're gonna find out. So the motor and the blade all came as one assembly with the shroud. So that's pretty easy. Just unbolt that and wire it in. Cable comes up through here, down and out of the drive. Simple enough. So, all right, let's get this thing disassembled and get some parts on the roof. All right, motor came out fairly easy. Guess I'm just gonna try and slide this coil out. Here's our old motor. They did have some double-sided tape, but that thing's already rusted out. It's only 2 years old. Okay, I'll have to be a little more careful putting the new one in. I guess I could take this whole side off here. I don't know. Let's see how it goes. Anyways, we're in there. The stupid part, the whole thing. Why you gotta put the dryer just like that underneath all these control wires? Just stupid design. Anyways, that's all I'm gonna say about that. It's in. Looks like we're missing grommets. We got to steal off the new one, or the old one. Yep, new one didn't even come with grommets. All right, so this is what we're dealing with. Old parts out, new in. Not going to say that this was fun, but this is what we're dealing with. And I thought it was newer than it is. It's a 2019, but this was not started up until sometime in 21. So we have everything in place, running pressure test, and see how that does. No leaks with the soap bubbles. Joints look good. And everything hinges on that little snap ring at the end of that blade. Still looking good. Almost 20 minutes in. So I'm going to get that broke free. We'll get a vacuum started. Charge it up. It holds about 20 pounds of 410. If all goes well, I'll have air. We did get a cold front, so it's not like it's going to be running too much today, but it doesn't last long down here. Okay, we do have startup and charging. About 11 pounds in there. Let's see, we do that fan. Alright, we got our 20 pounds in, 72 degree zone temp. It's doing a whole lot of unloading. Alright, everything seems to be functioning properly. It's cycled off at 72. Lots of air. And our blower, we have running continuous. Alright, till we meet again, Addison. Thanks for watching.